Is LG TV a smart TV? Let's clarify. Yes, most modern LG TVs are smart TVs, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. They run on LG's proprietary platform called WebOS, which is known for its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and smooth performance. WebOS provides features like voice control via LG ThinQ AI, screen sharing, and a wide range of apps for entertainment. LG Smart TVs also come with advanced display technologies like 4K resolution, HDR, and OLED panels, delivering stunning picture quality alongside smart functionality. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, LG Smart TVs provide a seamless and immersive experience. If you're looking for a reliable smart TV with excellent picture quality and an intuitive interface, LG is a great option. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.